We're gonna try and not blow her up today. Oh, the front tire's about to go. Boy, she's a unit, ain't she? I can't even squeeze the trigger at all, y'all. And I'm not even joking. That is like barely quarter trigger right there. Shit, I mean, I can goose it. You can tell when I goose it, it really goes. Like, that's like quarter. So you can tell when I nail it. But I'm afraid of blowing another tire up. She's a beast, y'all. Oh. Wow. The black sheep monster, boy. Oh. This thing is so badass, y'all. Oh, oh! And handles like you wouldn't believe. Oh, I'm gonna give her a break, y'all. Well deserved one. Oh, ran right out my own shoes, look. Huh? See how she takes this little bumpy terrain here. Let's see if she jumps this thing any good. It's not at me. Let's do that again. That's pretty cool. We're gonna really hit this thing. We're gonna wind her up across here. I feel this is not so dangerous right here to wreck it too bad, so we're gonna nail this one. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Little 5T getting busy out here. This jump right here is legendary though. Oh no. That's so bad, y'all. If that didn't break it, I don't know what. And from the looks of it, it did not. That was a bad wreck right there, y'all. Holy crap. That's kicking it bad right there. Not a good spot. Not a premium spot right there. Let's try it over here. Not premium there either. Oh God. Poles and shit. I think it's over here at premium. What the world? Oh my God. Oh God. What the hell is going on here? Let's see if we can't redeem ourselves. There it was. That was a good one. Oh no! Daggone it. That was bad. Holy crap. One more, y'all. One more big one like that. And I'm calling it a day for the old girl. She's put on quite a show out here. Give her a break after this one. That was beautiful too. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it. Peace out. We love you. Catch you on the next one. Black sheep, gone. All right, y'all, peace.